A nice thing about the Pfaff sewing machines is that they have both inches and metric on the throat plates. So whichever country you're working in, your seam allowances are in your type of measurement. But then there is also a seam guide that comes with this machine. And what we're able to do if you are running out of distance for where to guide your fabric, or you just want a little extra help, this will fit into the little screw that's in the back here, and you just loosen the screw, slide the seam guide in, maybe even measure it to the distance that you are working, so from the needle to the guide. Now you can easily follow for hems or running multiple rows of decorative stitches. All you have to do is keep an eye on the guide, and you're going to have perfect parallel rows of stitches without having to mark every single one.